lifting it up.
Yep. So there's two 25s right here, but there's two little screens here. 6 T30s.
Okay. T30.
Oh, that's it right there. This one's already got it on there, but a lot of the serial number is right here on this little tag.
Okay.
But a lot of people just write it on here or on the actual cover. Sometimes make it a little bit easier. Because for warranty purposes, they always want that serial number in there.
Okay.
So I don't know if you can. I'll pop this little cover off here. Two little tabs in the front. Just pop those. So there's that. So then you want to take this T20 once it come off next, so you can get this out of here.
Okay.
Because your glow pin's right here, and then the screen's inside here.
Okay.
So I'll usually pull that out next.
T20.
Yep. And then this, you want to pull these little tabs in right here. Push these in and they come right out. Then you want to unplug this one. This brown one is for your glow pin right here. Pop that out. I can just stay there. Pop this little boot off. There you go. So that's your glow pin right there. That's where that socket comes in handy, because you want to pop this just like this, so it doesn't get the wires just like that. Break usually, that's why I think they said carefully.
Okay.
But yeah, I just crack it loose real quick. And that should spin out. It's right there. This one actually has to have some buildup on it a little bit. There it is, see? There's your screen right there. So this one's, if they're clogged, usually they'll be really black.
Yeah.
This one's pretty good actually, surprisingly pretty clean. So, and then that little vent hole, it's gonna be like right in here. Right there. Okay. I'll usually get a little 90-degree pick and get in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So on that,
Vent hole.
Yep. That should be good enough, yeah. Yep, looks pretty clean in there. Sometimes if it's real bad, you can take like a blowgun and blow through it too, and it'll blow it out the exhaust on the back of the truck.
Okay. More light.
Yeah, so this is what you're gonna use. So I kind of just face the seam away from that vent hole.
Okay.
And I kind of just set it in there. Just like that. Then you can take this. And you'll feel it, it'll just bottom itself out, you'll feel it.
Okay.
And then that's all it is. So new screens in there, yep. And you just put everything back together and then that's it. I just start it by hand usually, get in there. You'll kind of feel it bottom out as well. And just give it, like, once it bottoms out, just give it a little tiny snug.
Okay.
That's all you need. Because usually if guys over tighten them, that's when it snaps those wires off usually.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so I'll throw a little wire back in. A little boot on there. Plug this back in. Then you can kind of tuck these wires in behind here so it saves, protects them. This just slips back in here. Throw your little T20 back in there. so it kind of just snaps back on. Do you click that in?